What's up world, I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to my channel. Today I got another mystery box from a friend of mine and can't wait to get this open for you guys. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this video, which I hope you do, consider giving a like. So I'm going to get right into the box and see what we got. I'm excited. I'm always excited for mystery boxes. Always get to see something new. And it's all Jordan brand. And actually, oh, this one's got clothes. This one's got clothes. What is this? What is this? Oh, dang. Alright, guys. This is the Last Shot tee. Check it out over here on my sneaker cam. 6.6 seconds on the clock. Michael Jordan shooting the championship shot against Utah in '98, and ironically it was his sixth championship and 6.6 on the clock. So very, very cool tee right here, guys. This thing's really nice. Red and black. Very nice. And oh shoot, we got a Last Shot poster too. Check it out over here. To go with the tee. Nice matching poster and tee. Very nice. Alright, get into this first sneaker here, guys. I'm making sure my mic works. And we got, I think it's a Jordan 4. I have no clue. It is, no, it's a Jordan 3. It is an all-white Jordan 3. I have no idea what this is called. Jordan 3 is just a all-white. It's like a white cement almost. But take it out of the box real quick so you guys can see it on the sneaker cam. Jordan 3 white cement, Jumpman Air on the back, Jumpman on the tongue. This is definitely used, but that's alright. A little dirty, no big deal. Jordan on the bottom. Jordan 3 white cement, I think. I'm not sure the official name of this one, but I'll throw all the sneaker names and prices on the screen for everybody. And I don't even know what to price the box because my buddy made the box and I don't know what it all costs. So like I did last time, I'll throw the price of the box on the screen after I add everything up. But here's another Jordan Flight on the front. Let's check this one out here. This one is a Jordan 4. White and red Jordan 4. I don't even know, maybe university red. Something like that. So we got Jumpman on the back, Jumpman Flight on the tongue. We got the hang tag. I like these hang tags a lot. And see on the bottom, another Jumpman on the bottom. This is very nice as well. Red and white Jordan 4. Red and black is my favorite color, so if I haven't mentioned it before, throw this on the floor. Only got one box today, guys, but probably like 8 pairs. Alright, on to the next one. Let's see here. This one, gold Jumpman. Gold Jumpman. This one is, ooh, we got a brand new Jordan 11 low in like a navy blue colorway. Small Jumpman on the heel here with 23 kind of pressed on. Jordan on the tongue here with the Jumpman. A gum bottom with the carbon fiber right here. These are brand new. These are really nice as well. I haven't seen very many 11 lows in person, but I could definitely see myself rocking them if they were my size. It's a size 12, so definitely not for me. On to the next here. On to the next. Hopefully I'm not squinting too bad. Got some allergies or something. Another 11 low. What is this? What? These are nice. These are nice. Like cherry red 11 lows. Same thing with the little Jumpman on the back. 23 as well. This patent leather is just not my favorite on these. If you guys haven't seen my favorite all-time Jordan, it's the Bread 11s. But same bottoms, carbon fiber. This one's got a translucent outsole. And yeah, these are super nice too. Cherry red 11 lows, or maybe university red. I'm not sure what the color red is, but these are really nice too. Those are fire. Let's see here. Another Jumpman Jordan face on this one. Actually, this one says a portion of the proceeds from the purchase of Jordan products support educational inactivities. And then it says it again in Spanish on the back here. It's a nice message. And this one is nice Jordan card right here with his shoes. This one is a Jordan 6 low, and looks brand new. Icy bottoms, Jumpman on the bottom as well, and lace locks here, Jumpman on the tongue, Jumpman on the insole, and yeah, Jordan 6 all black and a gray. It's not is it metallic? Yeah, it is. Jordan 6 metallic. These are really nice. Jumpman on the back as well, but it's in black, so you can barely see it. But Jordan 6 low, everybody. Metallics. All right. I got a tiny box in here. It's been a while since I seen one of these, but let's see what's inside. Dang! What is this? It is like a toddler size Jordan flu game. No way. Jumpman on the front, on the tongue. Jordan on the back. 23 on the heel. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Jumpman on the bottom with the 23 here on the toe. It says, non-marking, which I'm not sure what that means, but toddler size Jordan flu games. These are nice. Little baby flu games. These are fire. Those are fire. Some kids is just gonna be stunting with those. Oh, this is a different box. I haven't really seen these Jordan boxes before. Let's see here. I might not even be opening it correctly. Alright. Alright, other way. Oh, dang. Is this an 11? Oh, shoot. What is this? Oh, shoot. Oh, my goodness. These, wow. I've wanted to see these for a while in person. I've never seen them in person. What are these? Somebody tell me. I'm pretty sure it's the cap and gowns, but I could be completely wrong. But these, dang, it's like a really nice quality upper. It's not the normal mesh material. The patent leather, the icy bottoms, obviously the carbon fiber. 23 on the back. These are fresh. The cap and gowns. Whew. Yeah. These are super nice. Wow. First time seeing those in person. Alright, two more guys, two more. Alright, this one is, got a Laney Jordan little card here with the shoes on the back, but high school picture there of Jordan playing ball. That's super nice. We got a pair of, by the way, these are all dead stock except for I think that first pair. These are a Jordan 5 white metallic silver, another metallic silver, all white. Jumpman on the back, 23 right here on the heel. Reflective tongue with the Jumpman as well. Jumpman on the insole. Jumpman on the bottom as well with Jordan. The yellow aged kind of outsole here I like that look. I don't know if these are yellow from sitting or if they're always yellow, like they've always been yellow, but yellow mesh screen right here. It's not a mesh actually, it's, I don't even know, a rubber window type thing. But yeah, I didn't know they had a white metallic silver Jordan 5. And last but not least, everybody, let's see what we got. Ooh, what is this? Okay, black metallic gold, another metallic. We got the Jumpman on the back. We got the Flight, Jordan Jumpman Flight on the tongue. The gold lace locks here, whatever you want to call them. The tag, Jumpman insole, Jumpman bottom, black and white. Jordan 4, metallic golds. I just had a pair of the metallic purples. I didn't even know they had a metallic gold. These are super nice, guys. These are super nice. That's it. That's the last one. Tell me what you guys think. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And thanks for rocking with me. If you made it this far, I'm gonna do a pretty huge giveaway here really soon. Maybe when I get to like 200 subscribers. So crossing my fingers. I appreciate the support, everybody. If you're watching. And stay safe, stay inside. Still not really in the clear yet, but you guys take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.